We are analyzing more declined logos from LogoGround. My name is Roux. Let's begin. Okay, the first logo today is a Lego deer logo. That is the title, Lego deer. You can kind of see a deer and a Lego block. It is not really clear enough though. Without the title, I would not have guessed that this is a deer. Okay, but apart from the deer not being very recognizable, there is a bigger problem with this logo, namely the title, Lego deer. Lego isn't a generic word for a building block. Lego is an existing brand. You cannot use an existing brand as part of a new brand or in describing a new brand. That goes for any brand name. For example, Pac-Man, Batman, Hulk, Frankenstein, Rubik's Cube, Tetris, King Kong, etc. Those are existing brand names or names associated with existing brands. You cannot use those names in your logo titles or keywords or descriptions. In the same way, you cannot have a recognizable product in your logos, like this bottle. Even without the logo, you can guess what product this is. If you guessed Coke, good for you. It is, of course, a Coke bottle. That iconic Coke bottle shape is registered. Here is part of the patent document from 1938. If you want a bottle in your logo, it cannot be this shape, because this shape belongs to someone. And the same thing with names like Lego. That name belongs to someone. You can have a generic looking block like this, that's fine, but you cannot call it a Lego block. Next up we have a panda. This is not bad, but the expression on the panda's face is somewhat ambiguous. What is the emotion being shown in this face? I think it looks shocked more than anything else. Now it is possible that some company somewhere wants a shocked panda as their logo, but it might take a while for us to find that company. Actually, it is unlikely that this logo will sell within our lifetimes. There just are not that many companies that want a shocked panda in their logo. Some emotions work well in logos and others simply don't. Happy works. Happy sells. So does anger or aggression, and even a blank expression can work well. Other emotions not so much. Things like shock or confusion don't work, unless you can make it funny. By the way, aligning stuff is easy. No excuse for bad alignment. Next logo, letter EB or BE monogram. Let's talk about density. If we divide this logo into two halves, the top and the bottom, you can see that the top half is a lot more densely packed than the bottom half. It has more stuff in it. This isn't a mistake, but it is often better to distribute the stuff more evenly across the logo. So here we could do something like this, curling that B up into the empty space, and at the same time nicely echoing the top part of the E. I didn't do it very neatly, I know, but just to give you the idea. Speaking of neatness, what the heck happened here? It looks like someone took a bite out of the letter E. We just cannot approve this on LogoGround, and there are several examples of it in this logo. Attention to detail. Spend more time per logo and make every part of every logo as good as you can possibly make it. Next we have another monogram logo with the letters TA or AT. Good logo with some inconsistencies. If we compare the gaps, this one versus this one versus this one, all different sizes. Again, not a mistake, but I think it would be a big improvement if we make those gaps the same size. Nice and tidy. And look at these corners. We have sharp corners all over the place, but then the star at the bottom breaks the rhythm with its rounded corners. No reason to have that sharp or rounded. Pick one and use it consistently. And yet another monogram. It is Monogram Day today. This one has the letters BOS. I actually really like this. And the style and the symmetry, very cool. But unfortunately, it is easy to find lots of logos like it. It is more common to see 2 letters in this kind of configuration, but even with 3 letters you can find many logos like it. It's just not unique enough. It's unique in the sense that there isn't another logo exactly like it with these letters in exactly this style, but it is too difficult to distinguish this logo from all its brothers and sisters. I did not include this type of logo in our recent logo cliches video, but I think we should add this to our list of logo cliches. Here is a link to that video if you want to check it out, and I'll add the link in the description as well. And that is all I have for you today. More logos next time. Thanks for watching.